So what is Seattle Cucina? Seattle Cucina is a cooking school for people of all ages and all skill levels. We make practical hands-on cooking fun through both the attitude of the teachers and the passion and joy that we have for cooking, but also I think through the creative and fun recipes that we cook our way through. We do everything from after-school enrichment for kids K through 12, cooking camps, as well as private classes and events for kids and adults alike. At the core of Seattle Cucina are 4 main values: community, nutrition, sustainability, and accessibility. It's really important for people young and old alike to be thinking critically about the food that they're eating, where it's coming from, and how it's being prepared. My favorite part of every class would be the 15 to 20 minutes that we take at the end of class to sit down with our participants. We think it's really important and really valuable to recreate that sort of family feeling where you sit down at the table together.
Every single class is extremely hands-on. Kids are chopping, mixing, baking, oftentimes either on their own or with their partners.
It's pretty incredible to see the transformation that an activity that is challenging but also delicious and creative has on a group of people.
She's with me that cream! Carly! She's with me that cream! Carly! I'm done now!
Everything that we've built here at Seattle Cucina is thanks to our partnerships. We have really strong ties with our communities, whether it's the schools and community centers where we offer classes, the families in our neighborhoods that we work with, and also the farms where we source our wonderful produce. We're so grateful to continue working with our partners to deliver delicious, hands-on food education for everybody.
They're just gonna fill, that's a good one.